Hello guys, welcome back. This is Amit. So in this video, I'll be taking class computer science for class 12. So let's begin with chapter 1. Chapter 1 of class 12 computer science, which carries 12 marks in CBSE board. So you can easily get 12 marks here because it is easiest chapter and you have already revised this in class 11. The same is repeated here. So the questions in this chapter, the questions of this chapter, let's discuss one by one. The first question they may ask is to write down the header files. So you should be perfect with all header files. So let's take two questions to test your knowledge. The first question, you have to just pause the video and write down the answer in a page, then compare with my answers. So uh, the first question I'll be giving is mm, strlen off, and the second is frexp off. So here let me write the answer. So strlen, that is string.h. So for frexp off, that will be math.h. So that's done. Next question is like to write the header file for the given program. So you have to which C++ file, the question will be like this: which C++ header file are essentially required to be included to run or execute the following C++ code. So this is how the question will be given. So let's take an example. So the code given to you is while main of int x x of 100 and int x n of is given as abc. So cout set w of here 5 is given as xx, and again here again set w of 5 in the next line is a second. This is given in the same line, but here there is no space, so I'm writing it in the second line. Here xn. So this is a code given to you in the question, so I have to write down the header file. So for this, the answer will be first header file will be hash include iostream.h, and the second header file will be iomanip.h, because iomanip.net h is needed for setw, and hash include iostream is required for cout, because cout, iostream is required for output input functions. So next question might be to predict the output, and there might be a question related like difference between a object and a class, or a difference between data hiding and encapsulation, and there might be a question of keywords and identifier, like differentiate between a keyword and an identifier, etc. So let's take some output question. For theory, you can just read all the definitions of inheritance, class, and object, etc. and all. So let's go to an output question. I'll be giving you a question. I'll be giving you here a question. You just have to pause and you have to solve. and then play and compare the answers. So the question is, hmm, question first is as include IOC dot h. So here you'll be getting a question related to randomize or maybe of arrays or most probably you'll be getting for arrays only because that is the co because I have seen some last year papers where I found like more of arrays questions or else you might be getting pointers related programs. So let's solve this code. I'll be giving a code slash include ISN and slash include conio.h and while main of here clr of clear the screen and int b is equal to 0 int c of 10 is given as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. And here is a loop that is for I is equal to int a is equal to 0, a is less than 10 and a plus plus, and here if c of a percent 2 is equal to is double equal to 0, then b plus is equal to c of a. So this is a question you have to find answer. This is c out here, c out b, c out b. That's the end of the code. So let's begin. The first thing is int b is initialized as 0 and there is an array here that is c of 10 which is holding 10 elements. So let's go with the loop first. Loop says a the first value is 0. So if c of a percent 2 c of a percent 2 the first is 1, so 1% 2 is will be not equal to 0 because it will be giving reminder as 1. So here there won't be any updation in the in a. So let's make here one more variable that is b. B is also 0 right now. So 0 is done. Next is 1. So a is updated to 1 and 1 is less than 10. True, so it will enter the loop. Once it enters, here write if c of 1, c of 1% 2, the c of let's make this 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is how the array will be told, that is 0, a of 0 will be 1, a of 1 will be 2, a of 2 will be 3, so on. So now a was 1, so c of 1% 2, c of 1% 2, that is 2% 2, that will be 0 because the remainder will be 0. So this line will execute, that is b plus is equal to c of a. So b was 0, so this line is nothing but b is equal to b plus c of a. So now b was 0, so 0 plus c of 1. C of 1 is 2. So 0 plus 2, that will be updated to 2. So this is how the code works. So the final answer will be Let's find it out very quickly. The 2 next is a CR of 3. This will be again, let's say 4% 2 will be 0, so that will be 2 plus 4, that will be 6, and next will be 5 won't be 0, so it won't enter the loop. The 6 here of 6, that will enter the loop. I mean, for the fifth it will enter the loop, and the 6% 2, that will be 0, so that will be adding to this, that will make 12. 12, 6, 7, here 7 won't enter, 8 will be entering because 8% 2 will be 0, so 8% 2 is 12, 20, 20 is done. So next is 9, 9 won't enter because 9% 2 uh, will be 1, so it is not equal to 0, so it won't execute this loop, this statement. So now 0, 0% 2, that will be 0, and here the last is 20, so 20 plus 0, there won't be any effect, so the final answer will be is equal to 20. So on the screen you can see, so this is how you should write in your board, that is answer. uh, you should write the the output, the output as follows. So here you have to just write 20, nothing else. So leave a line, then write 20. Just near to the margin. Just write 20. That's it. That's the answer. So let's take one more question. The one more type of question asked here is to find I mean to remove errors from the given code. So I'll give you the short code here. So the code is slash include iostream dot h, and constant int max is equal to 10, y main of there's a int n of max, and there's a number, sorry, this is n is equal to 10, 20, 30, and there's a c out here, c out, that is n of 0. This is a code. So you have to predict the, I mean you have to find the errors, and you have to underline the errors, and you have to make you have to write the correct answer. So how you should write in bold, that is, and write the answer here. You have to write this statement exactly same here, because there is no error, and this also, because here I guess, yeah, there's no error here also, so you should copy the same one. This line also there is no error, here also there is no error, here also there is no error, so exactly the same should be written. But here there is error, so what you have to make is you have to write C out, the right one, and with the same ink you have to just underline like this, C out, this, that's it. This is the right answer for this. So most probably you will be finding two errors, so that will be for one mark, or if there are four errors, that will be for 2 marks, so half marks for each answer. Thank you guys for watching. Please do share and comment down in the description, sorry, down. uh, Once again, thank you.